Hello, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to talk about something amazing Hunyuan video. What exactly is Hunyuan video? Well, let me explain in the simplest way possible. According to the official document, Hunyuan video is one of the best AI models out there for creating videos. Its overall score is a fantastic 41.23%, which is higher than many other models. Now, while the Gen 3 model still performs slightly better in certain areas like quality, Hunyuan video has proven to be an outstanding all-rounder. In this video, I'll show you how to run the Hunyuan video model on a computer using ComfyUI. Here's the catch. Hunyuan video requires a lot of VRAM. For example, to run at a resolution of 1280 by 960 pixels, you'll need at least 45 GB of VRAM. That's a lot, but don't worry. I'll show you how to work with just 12 GB of VRAM, like the one my system supports. Ready? Now, let me tell you why Hunyuan video is so cool. Unlike other models that create videos in flat 2D, Hunyuan video takes things to the next level by using 3D techniques. It's like having a director who thinks in 3 dimensions. This 3D feature allows the model to generate more realistic and dynamic videos, and the results are absolutely stunning. Here are the videos that are created with this models. You can explore Hunyuan video yourself by visiting their website, hunyuanvideoai.com. Sign up on the website. You'll even get 15-point worth of credits, which is enough to generate one video for free. Isn't that amazing? Here is another website where that used Hunyuan model to generate the video. Here's a sample prompt we'll use today. A stylish woman walks down a Tokyo street filled with glowing neon lights and animated city signs. She wears a black leather jacket, a long red dress, and black boots. She confidently carries a black purse while her sunglasses reflect the vibrant city lights. The damp street creates beautiful reflections of the colorful neon lights. Top pretty detail, right? This prompt tells the AI exactly what to create, and it should take about 15 minutes to generate the video. Once it's ready, I'll show you how it looks. Now, let's jump into ComfyUI and get things set up. Go to the website ComfyUIblog.com. And head to the workflow section. There, you'll find download links for both the workflow and the required models. Download the file named Hunyuan Video 725p8. Save this file in the ComfyUI Model U.NET folder. This workflow is ideal for systems with 12 GB of VRAM. If your computer has higher VRAM, such as 24 GB or 25 GB, you can download a higher quality model like FP32 for better results. Next, download the file named Hunyuan Video VAEBF16 and save it in the ComfyUI Model VAE folder. To download the LLM model, click on the provided link and copy the command line. Navigate to the LM Models folder inside the ComfyUI model directory. Open the command prompt in that folder. Paste the command you copied and hit enter. Once you've done this, the required LLM files will be uploaded and your model will be ready. Finally, navigate to the Clip Models folder inside the ComfyUI model directory. Click on the provided link, copy the command line, and open the command prompt in the Clip Models folder. Paste the line, hit enter, and you're all set. In ComfyUI, I got some initial results, but honestly, they didn't look very good. Meanwhile, over on the Hunyuan video website, one of my videos is still being processed. But let's head back to ComfyUI and try tweaking some settings to see if we can improve the quality. Here's what I did. Resolution, I changed it to 512 by 512 pixels. Frame rate, I set this to 49. Steps I set to 30. Embedding guidance scale. I adjusted this to 6 for better alignment with the text prompt. BF16 mode. I ensured everything was set to BF16E precision mode for faster computation. After applying these settings, I generated the video again. Over on the Hunyuan video website, the result looks fantastic. It takes some time, around 15 minutes per video, and costs about $1 to generate 2 videos. So, for just $1, you can create some amazing content. Now, back to ComfyUI. With these updated settings, if you get an error message about device allocation, just cancel the process and wait for about 5-10 seconds before trying again. The video quality is significantly better than before. However, my earlier settings made the video appear too blurry. If you're facing a similar issue, try tweaking the settings as I did, and here's a little tip. To further improve the video, I decided to upscale it. Here's how I did it. Load the video. Open the video you want to upscale. Upscale factor, I set the upscale factor to 2 in doubling the resolution. Model use, I use the 4x spool hard model, which is great for enhancing details. After running the upscale process, the video quality improved noticeably. If you want even sharper results, you can experiment with different models or increase the upscale factor. After tweaking the settings and upscaling, the video looks amazing. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to achieve the same high quality results. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this guide and found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this one. Let me know in the comments what you'd like me to cover next. See you in the next video. Bye for now.